Today is April 1, 2013. I am shooting video footage of the construction site at the corner of Odana Road and Segoe in Madison, Wisconsin. Walking southbound on Segoe right now. As you can see here, the fence that overlooks the sidewalk here, or next to the sidewalk, has fallen once again. The conditions at this site are just deplorable. It's quite the train wreck of a construction site. I'm sure that if somebody from OSHA or some other governmental agency were to take a look at this, they would probably find all kinds of violations that I'm not even seeing, but I just want to document this because I'm concerned that a worker or perhaps a member of the public may be injured at some point because of the dangerous conditions at this construction site. So there used to be a fence right here that ran the whole length of Segoe. Some of it's fallen. This isn't the first time. It fell last winter. Then the people working here just finally gave up on maintaining the sidewalk, so it was covered in snow and ice for about 3 months, from December to March. And anyway, the fence has fallen onto the sidewalk once again, as you can see here. I don't know what they were intending to do with this fence, but as you can see, it's very dangerous to anyone walking by. There's trash everywhere. It goes out into the street. I'll document some of that. The site itself, the building itself, has had snow in it variously throughout the winter, and rain. I've observed it raining in here. I can't imagine how much moisture is in this site. Is in the wood here. So here's the fence that's down on the sidewalk. Again, I'm trying to document as much of the building as I can because other than the trash and the various obvious safety problems here, it wouldn't surprise me if there are other violations that I don't even know about, since I'm not a building person. Yeah, you can see the debris here. That's pretty much everywhere. Trouble is, it's not just on the construction site. It's also out in the street, and it blows into people's yards, including my own. So what we're looking at here is actually the street. You can see this is in the street. All leftover trash. Pieces of broken fence. Trash everywhere here. More trash in the street. I'm not sure why that window is missing. I know that there was a patio door on the other side that fell and broke. Wouldn't surprise me if this one did too. I did see broken glass over here on the sidewalk, so you can take a look at that in a minute. More dangerous trash that's out in the road and in the median. Here's more of the fence that apparently somebody decided to start taking down, but just left sitting. That thing up there really concerns me. I'm afraid somebody's gonna fall to their death off of that thing, but who knows. This whole site is just one giant train wreck, and it has been ever since they started doing stuff here. There have been piles of debris that were in danger of falling on the sidewalk. This is the sign, which apparently was so poorly put up that it's fallen over. Tyberius Terrace apparently is the name of the place, or will be. Quality piece of construction there. And as you can see over on this side, we have a fence that's just blowing out onto the sidewalk. Makes it kind of hard to walk past the construction site. Standing water everywhere. And here, if you can see, I'll move over to the side so you can get a good look at it. You can see the how the fence is hanging out into the, it's leaning over the sidewalk, and it's, well, it looks like they have it counterweighted on this side, but I still don't trust it as being particularly safe. I would say that's in danger of falling down, just like all the other fencing did. So let's see. On my other video clip, I took footage of this, which was where a patio door fell and broke down below. I forgot to show the broken glass on the sidewalk on the other side, or at least I didn't narrate, but it was there. It probably will show up on the video. So this is kind of gives you a general sense of the site. There's just trash everywhere. We have, I don't know what this is, a caution tape that's waiting to trip pedestrians. Not sure why those windows are open. And as I come around to this side of the site, what you'll notice, other than the sign, is the piles of items that are stacked up. This one is the most notorious, I think. It's balanced on a pile of mud. Actually, that's a pile of snow. I'm sorry. It's a large stack of heavy wooden framing of some sort that, as you can see, is balanced on a pile of snow, which is currently melting, causing the stack to lean precariously over the sidewalk, such that with sufficient melt, I'm sure this could easily fall down on a passing pedestrian, not unlike the fencing is waiting to do. Here we have a pile of, I don't know what, insulation or packing material, which is, as you can see, has fallen down. More piles of wood framing of some sort that are falling down. Just the site in general strikes me as being very dangerous. I would not want to be working here. And there's one more thing to see over on this side that I think is kind of interesting. Well, a couple more things, I suppose. There's the standing water everywhere. And then the trash bins, which are typically overflowing, which lead to more trash and refuse blowing onto people's yards. But here's the interesting thing on this side, is what I assume is some sort of concrete mixing device that is now balancing precariously. I don't know if you can see from this camera angle or not, but this large metal thing is a mixer or whatever it is far from level. It is well, I'm holding, the camera keeps zooming on me, but I'm holding the camera perfectly level right now, and you can see this thing has a distinct tilt to the right, and you can't tell probably from here, but it's also leaning toward me. I don't know what they have the thing set up on, but it is very far from level, and it looks to me like it's on unstable dirt and mud. So it would not surprise me if that thing falls down at some point. I'm going to go across the street now to where I can get a better angle on the falling wood here. Alright, this is a better view of the, you can see we're level here, holding the camera level. Here's a better view of the wood balanced precariously on the snowpack, waiting to fall onto the sidewalk. And still, I'm holding this camera perfectly level right now, and you can see the angle that is on that. See, there's the street to show you that I'm level. You can see the angle on that concrete mixer or whatever it is. All right, that's it.